Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SK45. Today in this video we are going to see the functions on strings. So basically strings are used to represent the text and manipulating the text. So we are going to see these functions, okay, one by one. So let's start. So you can see I have written a text here in the greeting variable. So hello world, welcome to my channel SK45. Okay, and let's see. So what I'm doing here is taking a value, taking a variable called result, and we will perform the operation on this string so that we will get the result in the variable result. Okay, and we can print this console.log result. Okay, so this is not a function, basically it's a property as it is available in array, so the same way it is available in string function. Okay, so let's print that. What is that? Node app.js. Okay, so total length of this string is 50. Okay, next function is slice. Slice function is simply going to slice this from the given slice from the given point to the end point, from the start to end index. Okay, so let's say we are going to start on index 6 and going to end at index 12, the starting position and ending position. What the result we are going to get it? Okay, world. So we can see uh, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 starting from here, and 7 8 11, oh 7 8 9 10 11. So it is taking till here. Okay, so this is slice function. Now what is that? Substring. Basically these slice, substring and substr function is used to do the used to get a portion of a string. Okay, a certain portion of a string. Although I think these two functions are deprecated, but still I will use. Okay, but suggestion this function will be suggested in most of the cases. Okay, so let's see this substr function. Substring function. Okay, it also has a start and end index. Let's say give the same number 6 and 12 and see what does it return. Same thing. Okay, now a little difference with substr is that it will start from this position and it will take this number of characters. Okay, so say this, yes, starting from here and taking this 12 character. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now we are going to see the replace function. The replace function is used to replace a certain word or certain things that we want to replace. Let's say in place of world I would like to print replace. I would like to print what I call guest or friends. Okay, what happened? I'm sorry. So we have to replace. So we have to give what we are going to replace with with what. Okay. So we did not define what we are going to replace. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Okay, so you can see the world has been replaced with friends. So replace all. If we are going to, let's say we have two world here. Okay, we have two world here. Hello world, welcome to my channel. It's a codify world. For a second, I am going to make this a small. Okay, because it's a case sensitive function. So what I'm going to do, excuse me, replace the world with sorry, what I'm writing here is replace all. I have to replace all. This is the function replace all. Okay, and replace the world with what guest. Okay, so you can see this world and this world has been replaced with this guest value, and it's a case sensitive that I would like to show you that we we are writing here, we are trying to say, we are trying to say that if you find the word with a small letter, okay, in this case, then only replace. So you can see the first letter here is capital letter, so that's why it's not. So the completely sense is that the complete sense is that this function is case sensitive function. Okay, now the two uppercase, very simple. The two uppercase and two lowercase. Getting start to uppercase. What it is going to do? It's simply going to make all these text in a capital form. See this? And if we do the same thing to to lowercase, this is going to make everything in lowercase. Okay, see this capital letter, this capital letter, this capital letter, everything is in a small case. What next is that concat. Concat function, as we know, we can add something. Concat, we can add some new characters, some new words to that existing string. So let's say we are going to add one exclamation sign and see this, print this. Okay, we got this sign here. Fine, so this is the work of the the concat function. What is next? The trim. Okay. The trim function is basically used to remove the blank spaces. Okay, so we have the space in the beginning and at the end, and so how we can check that? Okay, so before applying that trim function, I would like to check the size of the greetings. Okay. Console.log greetings greetings.length. Okay, so let's check that. see the result. Okay, so the character is 50. Okay, now we are going to, and I think in the beginning also we had checked that it's a 50 character. Now added two blank character. Okay, so the size is 52. Okay, 52. And okay. Now if after, even after, I would like to print this line, even after applying the trim function. Okay, so now, so what do you think? uh, uh, I should apply the, see, so the original text, the original string has not gone changed. I think it is giving this result size has got means resulted string has got trimmed. I mean the trim function is giving the new string. Okay, so that's to be remember about when we are calling the trim function. This is going to get, we are going to get a new string and result. Okay, so you can see we added the two additional character, but after applying the trim, we are back to the 50 character. Okay, now it's trim start and trim end. So let's do that same thing. You can understand trim start. Trim start will remove the blank space from beginning. Okay, but I would like to show you the end. Okay, yes, I would like to show you the trim end, because you can see the space here in the beginning. Okay, even in the result, see this is space, and the only one character from the back side, I mean the ending side, has been trimmed out. Okay, so no need to explain the trim start and end. Okay, pad start and pad end. Okay, so what this padding is all about, mm, remove these things. The padding is all about, let's say our string length is 50. Okay, but you might have heard about, basically you might have seen some screens where where the values are not displayed in a aligned way. Okay, so we know that, okay, we think that, okay, it should be aligned, it should be padded properly. So let's assume that we this string length is actually 50, and we have to print this string in a place where the column size, the length size, is basically 60. Okay, so what will have, our characters, our string will be not aligned. So for that alignment purpose, that padding is actually given. Padding function we can use pad end, for the maximum length 60. Okay, and what characters we want to display in the padding. Let's display the asterisk or star, and this is going to give a new result. I mean, what we can say, const result is equal to, this function is going to produce a new result, new string. console.log the result. Okay, let's see this. You see this? This will be printed. To do one more thing. So for your understanding, this will be printed as a padding at the end of the, we have said end, at the end of the sentence or the string. So for now, our character is 50 length of 50. Let's remove this. So what will happen? See, remember this column and this place. Okay, even though we have removed our, removed lot of words from our sentence, but the printing will end to this place, to this place, till to this place. See that? That's all about the padding. See this? Okay, so that the printing can happen in a aligned way. Okay, so the same thing, padding we can start or end the same thing. Okay, see this at the beginning, and again try to remove this words and see this. Yeah, so the printing word is intact into a 60 character length of column. Okay, now the charAt and charCodeAt. So this is, sorry, just remove this one. charAt. So this is going to give us what is the character on the given location. So let's say we are going to location 3, and let's see what is that. What is the character the position 3? L. It's L. Hello. Let's give 8. What is the number there? Number there is R. Okay. So this is all about the charAt. We get this particular character on a certain position. Now we are going to see the charCodeAt, the position 8. What is it going to return is, let's see, it's going to return uh, basically it's going to return this ASCII character of this position, whatever it, what was that, that was R. So it will give the ASCII character of that ASCII value of that character. Okay, ASCII key of that character. Okay, now this function split, a split function. So split function is okay, I want to print all our words back. Okay, the print sorry, what was that split function. Split function is used to split that string by a given character. So we are now, for now we are giving this blank character. Means what will happen, it will return, this function is going to return an iterator, because this is going to return because it will split, it will break all this string wherever it will find this space. Okay, whatever the character we have defined here. So we will get an array of splitted string. Okay, let's see this. Okay, we are going to get an array. Okay, let's say try to break from 2. Okay, earlier I wanted to break by the space, now I want to break this uh, sentence in 2 part, because I know I know that okay, uh, 2 is coming only one time. Okay, so just yeah, you can see the sentence is split into 2 parts. Basically this function is very useful most of the times, means most of the means this is more often we use this function. We might get values separated by comma and we have to split it. That happens a lot when we work in a real project. Okay, now what next function is indexOf. So indexOf, the indexOf function is going to give us the index of particular character that we provide. Okay, index of so it is being find on this position. Okay, and let's count it. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So at this position we are getting this value. So this is going to get this index. Okay, what is next? The next function is lastIndexOf. So let's find the world. Okay, so better it would be better if we try to find this world. Okay, world. So index of world is 6. Okay, start from the 6th position, that's why it's giving the 6. Try to find the index of last index of the supplied value 44. Okay, it is not necessary that we are going to give some word. We can give a single character also. Okay, so what we are going to get the index for this character. Okay, now what next? Search. That's so search will definitely give us a result of, it is same thing, find the first substring match in the regular expression search. Okay, so basically this is useful when we have to find something based on regular expression. Okay, even though that yeah, it will find, we supply the regular expression here and it will give you the first result. So just for now what I can give, I'm just giving the space, that also will work. Yeah, the space, this is also regular expression, but my regular expression is not that strong, that's what I'm now trying anything. um, so that's why, but I know that okay, this is also will be counted in a, will work in a regular expression. So this position is returned. Okay, now what is the next function? Match. Match is also the same thing. Let's see what about the match? Search, and yes, so it looks like, I think match is going to give what? The match will return an array containing the, okay. I got it. So match is going to return an array of the matching words for index. Okay. So match is the word world. Okay. what it is going to return is okay. So you can see okay, okay. So what was that the search, the difference between yeah, uh, the match method returns an array containing the result of matching a string against a string. So this is useful, like this gives multiple information, means many information in result. Like we find, it is saying like you find this one, you try to match these characters, I mean these words, where it is find on this position what was actually the input, I mean on what source we ran it, and groups is undefined. So if we have to print the index, what we can do, uh, from the result, what we can say, index is if available. So this is going to print the index. So when we run the match, and if you want the index, uh, we can find, we can print this way, we can find this way. But actually if we have to find the index only, we can say index of, we don't need to do this, see this. But actually match is returning an array, it's returning more information. I don't know which case we can use it. Maybe some uh, in some cases we would like to know the input, but match method retrieves the result of matching a string against regular expression. Okay, 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 got it, got it. So what is happening here? The difference between search and match is that search is going to give the result index or index of the first match, index of the first match, and and the match is going to get the return of all the matches. Okay, all the matches. But why this world is not being matched? uh okay, because maybe because I have not supplied regular expression, something like that. Oh, that is match all function, that is match all function. Okay. So match all function will give the result of all the matches, and basically the iterator. Basically, it will return the iterator, means given the given regular expression, the result from the given regular expression, and all satisfying value in return. So here we can print, I mean it's iterator, so we can what we can do here, we can see this const value of results, see console.log value. For now, just stop this. See, in that variable we have all the matchings. Okay, the index of position 44, finding here this is the last word and this is the first word. But let's see what about the search. Search method execute a search for a match between a regular expression and this string. Oh my god, the same thing. It looks like, match and search works exactly the same. Match and search. The search method searches a string for a string or a regular expression and return the position. Okay, that returns a position, and match returns an array of. Okay. So basically the search only returns the index, but matches returns an array multiple with multiple information. Okay, on the 0 index it has the value whatever, but in some cases matches may be very useful. It looks like it is giving the information what was actually searched and where it found and on which source it was run. So for some use cases it might be useful. So we have search, match and match all these three functions works on regular expressions, and search only returns the index, match returns this information, and match all returns the array of the list of the array of all the matchings uh, elements, not elements, the words. Okay, the remaining three functions is what is this? Includes is, I think it's going to return booleans. Includes method returns booleans if it finds the word that you want to, let's try to find the channel. Okay, it will return true if it finds console.log and result. Okay, if it matches in the string it will return true. Let's say anything, we say apple, but that is not available in the above string, so it will be false. Fine. So this is about the includes. And sorry, here start with and end with. Yes. So it's also going to return true or false, right? To start with, does this greetings sentence start with A? No. So it will return false. Okay. Does this string start with H? So let's run true. So greetings start with. It's not about searching each character. It's searching this entire sentence starting with H. So yes. Does it start with A? No. False. The same thing is about end with. Yeah. Does this greetings string ends with H? No. So it's going to give false. Does it end on the dot characters? True. So yeah, this is, I think we covered all these functions. All these functions were taken from W3 site. see here, and this one and this all, including this all. So yeah, this is all about this video. If you like it, please like it and subscribe it. Stay happy, stay safe, and yeah, thank you.